So good morning students. Here problems from textbook. We have to solve some problems. Problem number 1.4, that is a compound is formed by two elements A and B. The atoms of element B forms CCP type of structure. The atoms of A occupy one third of tetrahedral wide. What is the formula of compound? So here there are two types of atoms A and B are present in that compound. So the atoms of B form CCP structure. The atoms of B forms CCP type of structure. Now void is tetrahedral and the number of tetrahedral voids generated is twice of B. Therefore, number of tetrahedral voids generated. How many voids will generated? Type is CCP type. So number of voids will be twice B. Number of voids will be twice B. So number of tetrahedral voids generated twice B. And atom A occupy the atom A occupy one third of tetrahedral void. Atom A occupy one third of tetrahedral void. So number of atoms of A. How many number of atoms of A? That will one third of 2B. So 2B into 1 by 3. One third of 2B. Therefore, the ratio of A and B atoms. The ratio of A and B atoms. So what will ratio? 2, 3. This 2B into 1 by 3 means 2, 3. B is 2. 1B. So B will get cancelled. So it will 2, 3. 2 by 3 is 2. 1. 2 by 3 is 2. 1. So that will 2 is to 3. So that will 2:3. So formula of that compound will be A2B3. So the formula of compound A2B3, because the ratio is 2:3. Now second problem, niobium form BCC structure. The density of niobium is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Length of unit cell H is 330.6 picometer. How many atoms and unit cells are present in 0.5 gram of niobium? So here X, that is weight of niobium, is 0.5 gram. Then density, rho is density 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. The type is BCC type. Then edge length A is given here 330.6 picometer. So convert it into meter. So 330.6 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, then into centimeter, 330.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. Minimize it, so it will 3.30, 3.306 decimal points are here written after one digit, so it will increase by 2. So it will 10 raised to power minus 8. And now we have to find out number of atoms and unit cells. Number of atoms and number of unit cells. So given type is of BCC type. So at first we will find out number of atoms in X gram niobium. Number of atoms in X gram niobium. So formula is Xn upon rho into A cube. So put here values. So value of X is 0.5 gram. Given type is BCC. So number of atoms will be 2. In BCC type, 2 atoms are present. So number of atoms will be 2. Then rho 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, and value of A is here 3.306 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. So here centimeter brackets cube. So this gram will get cancelled. So here 1 gram. We will cancel by in next step. So 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Now find out cube of 3.306 into 10 raised to power minus 8. So it is 36.1334 into 10 raised to power minus 24 centimeter cube. Now this gram will get cancelled and centimeter minus centimeter cube and centimeter inverse will get cancelled. So 1 upon 8.55 into 36.1334 into 10 raised to power minus 24. So after calculation, this 8.55 into 36.1334. So it will 308.9. 308.9 into 10 raised to power minus 24. So here 1 upon 0.3089 into 10 raised to power minus 21. So reciprocal of 0.3089, it will 3.25. So 3.25 into 10 raised to power 21. So these are the number of atoms in X gram of niobium. So therefore 3.25 into 10 raised to power 21 atoms are present in 0.5 gram niobium. So here number of unit cells. This type is BCC type. So in 1 unit cell there are 2 number of atoms. So these are number of atoms in 0.5 gram of niobium. So in 1 unit cell, in 1 unit cell, 2 atoms are present. Therefore, number of unit cells in 0.5 gram niobium. So divide by 2. 3.25 25 into 10 raised to power 21 divided by 2. So it will 6 point. So divide by 2. So we will get, so after calculation, so 2 ones are 2, then point 2, 6 are 12, then 5, 1, 2 5 are, so 1.62 into 10 raised to power 21. That is 1.62 into 10 raised to power 21. Number of unit cells are present. So in this way we have find out number of unit cells. Or we can find out by using this formula also. X upon rho into A cube. So here from type of structure we have directly find out number of unit cells in 0.5 gram of neobium. So divided by dividing 2 we have got the answer. Thank you.